had some kind of vibe. You drove me crazy, all you brought out was my bad side. And when I held you wide, I had to hold you tight, because I never thought I'd find a girl like you. I couldn't think of my